Dear friends, in this session, we'll be discussing on the various components of a business model and business and model strategies associated with that. Let's see what are the components of a business model. The business model consists of value proposition, market segment, value chain structure, revenue generation, and margins, positions in value network, competitive strategy, etc. Now, value proposition is a clear description of root cause for customer need, the product that will satisfy the need, and the delivered value of the product from customer's view. Assume that there is a need for a medicine for COVID-19. That is what the root cause for the customer need is, right? In the same way, the product that will satisfy the need is that the medicine which you can offer to the customers. And what the result is, what actually the value proposition in the perspective of the customer is. So here next one is that market segmentation, the genre of customers to target, recognizing the fact that different market segment has different expectations, and the reality is that each of the segment preference needs are different. You may come up with a medicine for the COVID-19, and you may say that all of you can use the same medicine for the COVID-19, but there might be a chances that there are different segments under a positivity of the COVID-19 pandemic, right? So you may come up saying that the people below the age of 18 who are suffering from positive or COVID positive can take this kind of medicine to recover soon, because they have a kind of great immunity, and they can recover soon. But the people who are suffering from some health issues, or the people of old age of more than 50 years, can take some other kind of medicine to recover. All those things are like market segmenting your market so that you can create a proper business model. Next is value chain structure. Value chain structure includes everything from the beginning to the end. Okay, beginning means here bringing the raw materials, until end means that until it reaches your customer. Everything is whatever the process, the steps you follow is said to be a value chain. In that structure, whatever the structure, the process you have, then in the chain, when you identify anything which could create a value for the customer by reducing the cost, by giving a great quality or anything, when you try to create a value under in a chain, that is said to be a value chain structure. Next, revenue generation and the margins. What is the major objective of a business plan? Business is obviously to generate a revenue, obviously to make a profit, margins, right? So revenue generation and the margins includes the sales, the leasing, the subscription supports, etc. The pricing and the projected profit margins, all those comes under the same point. Next, position in value network, locating the firm's competitors and the complementers. Competitors are those people who are actually creating a competition for you. Like if you want to start with a business of beverages, you see that there are multiple of beverages already available in the market, right? That is a kind of competition where competitors, the customers of your product are finding the other similar products in a market. That is what competition is. The complementers are those people who help your business sales to grow in a way that they connect with you. They help you to grow. In the say example is that Flipkart, Amazon, all those people help the other different sellers in selling their products, right? That is a kind of complementers for a sellers of various kind of goods and services in the market. So that is what you have to understand and position that value network. Next, competitive strategies. What strategy the company will implement? That maybe in terms of pricing strategy, you can go for penetrating pricing, and there are various kinds of pricing strategies available. Skimming the price, cost plus pricing, 1+1 pricing, like that. You'll find various kinds of pricing strategies, product differentiation, and going for niche strategies to gain a competitive edge in the market. All these are what the competitive strategies are. When you include all these things in your business model, it becomes the components of a business model. Okay, so next, business model and the strategy. Let's understand what a business model is. A business model is often mistaken for a business strategy. There's a difference between both of them. Firm must avoid using them interchangeably. Following, there are three major differences between two of them, that is creating value versus capturing value, business value versus shareholders value, predetermined knowledge levels. Let's understand what is this creative value versus capturing value. A business model aims at creating the value for the customers. What I said, when you're from the beginning to the end, you try to create a value in the structure of your chain, of that business chain. That is creating value. And then capturing value is, while it sometimes business model also includes capturing value, but usually the strategy you always includes capturing the value through competitive advantages. Like the competing with the other people, other products in the market. Okay, here in a creating value, when you are itself producing, you are trying to create a value for your customers and they should feel satisfied. But in capturing value, you are trying to compete with your customers with a competitive strategy and finding getting a competitive advantage. Okay, next is that business value versus shareholders value. The business model is responsible for transformation of ideas into valuable outputs. However, the business model does not focus on delivering this value to the end customer, but as a business strategy does. For example, business model does not elaborate on financing methods, but they affect the stakeholders intentionally. Next is predetermined knowledge levels. The business models requires only a basic level of knowledge, whereas the strategy involves application of conduct more than knowledge of the environment. Have to do lot of research when you are strategizing about anything. Okay, so with the less knowledge about outside also, you can prepare a proper business model. This is the about a business model and the differentiate between business model and strategies, etc. Thank you.